Instant Smile Temporary Tooth Kit Review. The Instant Smile Temporary Tooth Kit is marketed as an affordable do-it-yourself solution for individuals seeking to replace a missing tooth without immediate dental intervention. Designed for temporary cosmetic enhancement, the kit includes a selection of tooth shades and sizes, along with thermal fitting beads that soften in hot water to help secure the replacement tooth in place. Ease of use and customizations. Users have noted that the kit offers a range of tooth shades and sizes, allowing for some degree of customization to match existing teeth. The process involves selecting the appropriate tooth, trimming it to fit, and using the softened beads to adhere it in place. Some customers have found success with this method, reporting restored confidence in their smiles. Challenges and limitations. However, the product is not without its challenges. Several users have reported difficulties in achieving a secure fit, noting that the thermal beads may not adhere well to the gums or adjacent teeth, leading to instability. Additionally, the size and shape of the provided teeth may not suit all users, particularly those with larger gaps or unique dental structures. Conclusion. The Instant Smile Temporary Tooth Kit may serve as a short-term cosmetic solution for individuals awaiting professional dental care. While some users have found it beneficial, others have encountered issues with the fit and adhesion. Prospective users should approach with realistic expectations and consider consulting a dental professional for long-term solutions. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.